In this next Lyme survey tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add an assessment survey at the end of your informed consent document that you can use to check whether participants understood all of the information presented in the informed consent form. In order to do this, we will open the survey that we've been working on thus far. So far we only have two question groups of introduction and purpose. Now we are going to add a third and make this the assessment. Clicking on this circle with the plus sign will add a new question group to our informed consent document. I'm going to give it a quick title, Patient Self-Assessment. Now that it's titled, we can scroll down and save our question group. First, we want to add a question about what is the purpose of this study. By navigating to this third circle, we can add a new question to our question group. I'm going to enter the question of what is the purpose of this study. Now that my question's entered, we want to choose a question type. By scrolling down to the bottom, we can decide what kind of question we want this to be. I'm going to go with a list with radio buttons. This way there are multiple options for participants to choose from. If we scroll down again, we can decide whether we want an other option available and whether we want to make the question mandatory or not. Now that this is added to our group, you will see a small red warning that says we need to add answer options to this question. We can add answer options by clicking on this little grid next to this warning. Here we have the ability to enter as many answers as we want. On the right side, we can edit an answer by clicking the pencil icon, add another answer, or delete this answer. I'm going to enter the 4 options that I've chosen for this question. These are the 4 choices that my participants will get to select from. Now if we save these changes, we can navigate to the small gear icon on the paper to preview this question. Here we can see the first question of our self-assessment and how it's a multiple choice question. In order to add more questions to this self-assessment, we just need to keep adding more questions to our question group. There are many question types to choose from. Deciding which one is best for your patient self-assessment will be a matter of personal preference. You can add as many questions as you need in order to evaluate your patients. When you are done adding your questions, make sure to check that they all display properly and make sure you've added answer options for each of them.